If you want to disable call forwarding on an Android, so first of all, open up your phone application. After that, at the top right corner, we gotta locate these three dots, choose it and press Settings. Now the next step may vary, because on some phones it's just located in the call section and there you'll find your call forwarding. However, on my phone, which is a Samsung, we gotta find our supplementary service tab, choose your call forwarding and choose your voice calls. Great. After that, we're gonna find our always forward option or any other option which is set on your phone, right? And we're gonna press turn off. And basically that's it. The second method of doing this is through your dialer. So open up your phone application once again. Now on your dialer, we gotta enter a secret code, which is hash hash 004 hash. And as you see in my code started, and it means that call forwarding conditionally erase was successful. So we don't have any call forwarding from now. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.